Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we have for you a unboxing video of this great universal notebook adapter. So let's open and see what's inside. Let's open this box. So what else? Some kind of user manual paperwork. Okay, nothing interesting. So let's take this box away. So this is the great universal adapter. How you can see, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different charging tips for some kind usual for more than one laptop. This, for example, is for I think Lenovo. This comes maybe for Dell or HP, this for Acers and so on. So wide range of tips, different size. So what else? There's a cable. That's, I will say, it looks very great. It's heavy, not so light. So here is the parameters. You can see 18.5 output DC, 19.5 and 20 volts output. So for wide of use, different for different laptops. So, and there is the cable. Yes, there is a European style standard cable. Okay, how long is this cable? I don't know. Well, it's about 1 meter, so usual. Okay, and okay, this plastic goes to side and see what's else. So you can see it's something Qoltec brand. Well, that's not, I don't know what's for brand. This of course it's made in China for, I think, for this Qoltec brand. I believe this brand is something from Poland. By the way, I bought this universal charger from my local online store for about 14 euros, something 14 euros I think. Yeah. Well, let's unzip this cable. Well, it's something like 1 meters. And here is the where you can place these tips. Okay, maybe try some. Oh, I will take this, and I will. You can see there is 3 pins, and the one is guiding line. So this is plus, and this means here you can see there is some. Well, there is just one position how you can go this tip on. I think that's it. So yeah, that's okay. Okay, I connect this to my and I will test the output voltage. So okay, just a second, I connect to the power line. Well, yes, you see, there comes indicator light. That means it works. Okay, here is my voltmeter, and let's see what currents it has. So take this to 20 volts Okay, so red is plus and black is minus ground, I believe. Okay, just try to make so you can see what is. I think I make this right. No, this is not the right. It's very difficult to hold this. It comes out 18.72. Yes. Well, that's not bad. And if we try something else, another, for example, this one, what we can take? Oh, I think let's try this one. Oh yes, this one, and connect it. So, well, let's try make some measurements. This makes, as you can see, 19.28 volts. So yes, how you can see, the voltage depends on what kind of tip you use. For other, there is laptops that use 18, there is laptops that use 19, and so on. So what can I say? For 13 euros, this is not very, it's very good and looks very not very good quality. So that's all. Thanks for watching. See you next time.